Hello, my name is Nisha, and in today's video I demonstrate how I clean hair tools. Alright, so most of the time when I wash my hair tools, I just do it at the end of the week, do a quick rinse. Most of the time I don't even need any shampoo or soap or anything like that. But I've been holding on to these pretty much since my last wash. My daughter's barrettes, my daughter's hair tools, my hair tools. And what I usually will do is I'll take a shampoo that isn't my favorite. I don't really like the Wella Ultimate Repair shampoo that much. It's a strengthening shampoo, but it's just a little too strong for my hair. So I'm going to use that as my cleanser, and I'm just going to create a bath for it and let it soak. I'll let it soak. And after it soaks, I will go through and rinse it off. It's better. And I'll just get the product buildup off of it and you know, keep it new, make it last longer. I use Gabby's bowls, mostly Gabby's bowls, and bowls from the hair store for my daughter. These last really well. I actually have like 2 or 3 sets of these. I'm probably going to get 2 or 3 more. They work really well. They work as advertised, like on. But yeah, I'm just going to let these soak while I wash my hair and do the other things to my hair. And then I'll rinse them off and they'll be clean. Alright, and so normally I don't really have to do a lot to clean my stuff. It's just a matter of pulling out whatever loose hair I see, and then I just have the stream of water on high pressure, clean up anything that's left. And the reason why I soaked it, because soaking it would have gotten any like loose debris. So that's it. And it really is that simple. I don't really wait until my hair tools get caked with a product or buildup or anything like that. The week after I use them, as a general rule, I just rinse them off with hot water. If I wait a little bit longer, like in this video where I waited a little over a month, I'll soak them in hot water for an hour, pick out any debris that's in there, and then rinse them on high pressure. And my hair tools usually last for a decade or longer. So if you like this video, my content, my vibe, I welcome you to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.